All right, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the CareTouch Pre-Moistened Lens and Screen Cleaning Wipes. They come in a box like this, and it shows you can use them on various different items. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm opposed to using box cutter, so I use a fork to open up my things, but I'm gonna zip that back. And open it up right here. And they come in with lens wipes that looks like this right here. It says gently brush away dust and dirt with folded wipe. Unfold the wipe and clean the surface with a circular movements until clean and dry. All right, so that's what I'm gonna do. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up right here. And it says brush away dirt like this with it still folded. All right, so I did that. And then open them up and go ahead and clean it like this. Both sides, making sure the dust and dirt are off before I did the brush. So I'm cleaning my safety glasses like this. I'll tend to get the arms of them as well. And they look pretty clean. That's pretty impressive as far as how they clean. It's very clear. It's almost as if these glasses are new. So that was the review of these. These things actually work well. There's a slight alcohol smell to it, but not too bad. And they work pretty well. Hope this was helpful.